In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up or slow down a video using Kapwing. If you've ever wanted to adjust the pace of a clip to better fit your project, this is a handy skill to have. We'll walk through the steps on the Kapwing platform to make these edits quickly and easily. To get started, open up your web browser and go to Kapwing's official website, which is a fantastic tool for creating varied content efficiently. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in, which brings us to the next step. Locate and click on the Sign In button at the top of the page. If you don't already have an account, Kapwing offers several easy ways to sign up, including Google and Facebook sign-ins, which makes the process streamlined and straightforward. Next, choose the Sign In with Google option for a quick login process. This action will direct you to a familiar Google login page. Enter your credentials if asked, and then select your account. Kapwing will use this to manage your projects, allowing you to access and organize them readily. After selecting your account, you'll be redirected back to Kapwing, where your dashboard will display all your current projects. Now click on the project where you want to make your edits. This will open up the specific project file and bring you into the Kapwing editor interface. From here, choose the particular clip you wish to modify. If this is your first time working with Kapwing, the interface might seem a bit daunting, but with a little exploration, it becomes intuitive. Once your clip is selected, turn your attention to the right-hand side of the editor interface. You'll find a variety of editing options available here, but what we're interested in is the speed section. Within this panel, you have the flexibility to adjust the playback speed of your clip. You'll notice there's a slider that lets you go from slower speeds by dragging left to faster speeds by dragging right. This feature is powerful because it can impact the mood and timing of your content significantly. Perhaps you want to slow down a moment for dramatic effect, or speed up a section for comedic timing or efficiency. Whatever your creative vision, this slider helps you achieve it seamlessly. And there you have it, all the steps to adjust the speed of your videos using Kapwing. With these changes, you can now craft videos that match precisely what you had in mind, making your content not just more engaging, but perfectly tailored to your audience's expectations. Thank you for watching and happy editing.